So the first time we hosted a valuable retreat was at the end of 2022. And to be honest, there was no particular theme for the retreat. This year, we decided to actually make a theme, and I've themed it leadership and accountability. Whilst we are having ambitious, tenacious leaders, entrepreneurs, team builders, why can't we get them all into the same place? And why can't we do the valuable retreat based on leadership?
Builders need to be around builders. It gets quite lonely sometimes, so I think this space provides that for other leaders. I think that's extremely useful as well.
It wasn't just business, it was like deeper connections, genuinely getting to know people that I could potentially be doing life with.
It's inspiring to be around such individuals. It's easy for you to end up in your work silos, academic silos, but then when you come to these environments, you meet people who may have gone through the same experiences as you, maybe struggling the same way that you are, and it's just an opportunity to kind of unpack what you've been going through and learn from others.